Did you know that 90% of coffee enthusiasts are unknowingly sabotaging their perfect cup before they even add the beans? The culprit isn't your grind size or brewing technique, it's your kettle choice. Here's the shocking truth. Your average kitchen kettle is designed for tea, not coffee. Coffee demands precision that most kettles simply can't deliver. The difference between mediocre coffee and café-quality coffee often comes down to three critical kettle features. First, temperature control. Coffee extraction happens in a narrow sweet spot between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Regular kettles either undershoot or overshoot this range, resulting in sour or bitter flavors. Electric kettles with variable temperature settings eliminate this guesswork entirely. Second, pour control changes everything. That wide spout on your current kettle? It's flooding your coffee grounds with uneven water distribution. Gooseneck kettles provide the steady, controlled pour that ensures every ground gets properly saturated. This isn't just fancy barista theater. It's the difference between extracting 20% of your coffee's flavor versus 40%. Third, heating consistency matters more than you think. Cheap kettles create hot spots that literally cook your water differently. Quality kettles with even heating elements maintain stable temperatures throughout the brewing process. But here's what nobody tells you. The most expensive kettle isn't always the best choice. A $60 electric variable temperature kettle often outperforms $200 manual options for home brewing. The game changer? Start with an electric kettle featuring degree-specific temperature control and a gooseneck spout. Your taste buds will immediately notice the difference, and you'll finally understand why coffee shops charge $5 for drinks you've been struggling to recreate at home. Your perfect cup has been waiting for the right kettle all along. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.